In South Carolina, DUI is a very common offense. It can also become a very serious offense if it's not handled correctly. People from all walks of life end up getting arrested for DUI. DUI stands for driving under the influence. That can be driving under the influence of alcohol, prescription drugs, illegal drugs, or a combination of all of the above. After being arrested for a DUI, the first and foremost thing that you should be concerned about is a bond hearing. Your bond hearing will occur within 24 hours from the time you are arrested on most circumstances. At the bond hearing, a bond will be set in which you will have to provide that amount of money yourself or through a family member, and if you cannot do that, then you can also hire a bonding company to get you bonded out. However, oftentimes individuals who have first-time offense for DUI are released on a personal recognizance bond, which is called a PR bond. Once you're released from jail, the first and foremost thing that you need to do is find an attorney. If you already have an attorney, you need to set up an appointment with him or her as soon as possible. If you do not have an attorney, the best way to find one is seeking advice from family or friends or doing your own research on the internet. When you do make an appointment with an attorney, you need to make sure that you have all your pertinent paperwork from your arrest to be able to show the attorney. Once an attorney has been retained, he or she will tell you exactly what you need to do and make you aware of the status of your driver's license and how you need to proceed moving forward while the charge is pending. The attorney will also then ask for a discovery, which would be all the evidence related to your arrest. It will be their job to review the evidence specifically, then things like whether or not the stop was legal, whether or not the police proceeded properly from the arrest. Once all the evidence has been reviewed, the attorney will go over that information with you, as well as discuss it with either the arresting police officers or the prosecutor involved in your case. Ultimately, your case will end up with either a plea, a dismissal, or perhaps a trial. Those circumstances are very fact-specific and each case is different. So you need to be advised and understand the fact that your case will ultimately be determined by the specific facts that happen to you and not cases that have happened to other people.